What's up everybody? Today in this quick video I am going to show you how to quickly UV geometry in Maya and apply a material in Marmoset and then adjusting the tiling of the material onto the geometry. Now first off, this is not meant to be finished game ready geometry. This is mostly for if you want to quickly do some previs 3D concepting work. This is a nice quick way of doing that. All right, so let's jump into Maya here. So I am using Maya 2025 and I'm gonna just export out this table. So this table here, I just did a little quick automatic UVs. So I went to the UV toolkit and did a automatic UVs, and I did that to both. Now I'm going to export this out as an FBX. I'm going to export it out into the FBX here. I'm just going to call this table v2, right? And then I'm going to just turn that into invisible. And then I'm just going to drag and drop that FBX into here. So here it comes in applying a material. I'm going to apply the aluminum to the bottom. So all you have to do here is from here you just go to texture, find the material that you want, and then just download it. So you'll see this download arrow button. So I'm just gonna like download this aluminum scratched here, and then I'm just gonna drag and drop it. I'm gonna drag and drop it to the bottom there, and then let's do like a let's just do like a cement. Just gonna download the cement, and I'm just gonna drop the cement on the very top, and then I'm just gonna go to classic mode so you can kind of see everything again. So here we have it. We have this cement top and this brushed aluminum. Now let's say you want the tiling, you want it to tile a little bit more. So for example, let's go to the cement. I'm going to go and tile this 2 times. Right, I can even tile it even 4 times, right? And same with the aluminum. What's this one? Aluminum scratched, right? So now we can get that going. You can tile it a little bit more, and you can kind of change the tiling materials there. And then let's just do a little quick render here. This is ray tracing already. Perfect. So yeah, so that's how you can quickly get some geometry into Marmoset real quick from Maya, and then just applying a material onto your scene. If, for example, there's this wood here, I think I have the tiling set to 2. I can like reduce that to 1. And it'll look, you can change it there real quick to get some nice pre-visualization and 3D concepting done real quick in Marmoset.